message in this crisis for you?
The main message is that the people of Zimbabwe are fed up with what's going on with Mugabe, his wife, and the cabal of G4, Chombo, Jonathan Moyo, Kasukwere, who are pushing for a coup. And they want to seize power through a coup, and that's why the people of Zimbabwe are resisting. And we, the war veterans, have become the focal point because of our historical record, the respect which the people have. And we are now appealing to all Zimbabweans and to all other formations, political or otherwise, business, to all come together because the state, the democracy is under threat.
Now, what exactly do you want them to do?
We want them to solidify their resistance, which they were already doing, against the putschist tendencies of the G4.
And the axing of the vice president, what's your reaction to that?
It was outrageous. It is a travesty of all the democratic strictures which ZANU-PF should be practicing as in a national democratic environment. They are tearing the rule book, the constitution of the party, and throwing everybody, not only him, thousands and thousands of the other people out of the party. That is wrong. We have a dictatorship and oligarchy which has run amok. It has to be arrested.
But some can argue that, it is his prerogative to fire and hire. What's your take?
Zimbabwe is the product of a collective sacrifice by its population.